Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a new Coachman VIP 460 2021. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So the first thing you notice is the new Coachman badge that you see located at the front of the caravan. You've got the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. Plenty of space for 2 gas bottles on the right hand side there, and also various other amenities located on the left. A slight change in the decals for 2021, going to this fantastic modern feel that you see down the side of the caravan in the VIP range. You've got a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, located next to the exterior barbecue point and exterior 240 volt socket. So as we come towards the caravan, you've got a lovely small area here. So just putting things that you might keep in and out of the awning. First thing you notice as we step in is the oven and grill with pan storage underneath, benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. You've got the beautiful 2-tone wood effect going throughout this range, with the Omnivent located in the kitchen area. And another slight change is these positive catches on all of the drawers. You've got the glass lid with the beautiful finish on the tap, and also on the left hand side here you've got your television point located with your easy usable height microwave, wonderful finish with the shelves, and that beautiful under counter Dometic fridge. So a new style 10 series fridge that they've put in, and also one of the great unique features, as you see from there, is it opens on both sides. Further storage space located next to the fridge there, and this particular model benefiting from the Aldi wet central heating system located next to your main command centre by the habitation door. That 2-tone wood locker effect going throughout across to that very large panoramic sunroof. You've got a wonderful finish on the fabric scheme that they've chosen for 2021. As we come down the front of the caravan, you've got the wireless charging point located here, a short pull-out table at the front by the chest, the PIR sensor for the alarm, and also a sideboard extension located here. Further storage in the kitchen area, and again these wonderful positive catches on all of the drawers. High quality of finish on the chrome on the bathroom door as we step through to an extremely well finished, high quality, large bathroom area. So beautiful finish on the sink area with cupboard and cabinetry underneath. You've got the heated towel rail with further storage located above. And then this wonderful 2-berth, there's an abundance of storage. So as you see there, a light opening as you open the cupboard by the Aldi header tank with a hanging rail, drawers underneath, and also laundry basket located at the back. Extremely spacious individual shower cubicle located there with your freestanding table from the front of the caravan located here, a secondary towel, a hanging rail, and further storage located in the bathroom. So a really well spec'd and high quality finish on a wonderful 2-berth caravan. One of the most popular 2-berth caravans across the market being the VIP 460. If you have any queries or questions about this model, please feel free to get in contact with us. We'd love to hear from you, and we hope we can do business together. We look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour. Bye bye now.